salesman can help you make a better choice among those different words. We also have US imported reflective mirrors. This mirror has high transparent rate, efficiency, and long lifespan. Maybe for 1 year, you will use 3 to 6 pieces of this reflected mirror. We also have US imported focus lens. This is imported material. It can protect the laser beam. For 1 year, you may use 1 to 2 pieces. Okay, please look at the cutting thickness and thickness on different materials. With different powers, the cutting speed is totally different. Of course, if the materials have different thickness, the cutting speed is totally different. So if you want a higher cutting speed, I think you can choose higher watts. If the materials is too thick, you can choose higher watts. You can also tell our salesman about the materials that you want to cut or engrave and the thickness of the materials. Then we can help you to make a better choice. We also provide some choice about words for you to choose. Then it's better for you to make a judgment. Okay, you can look at comparison of the advantages of our machine with other suppliers. Our machine, Perfect Laser machine, has many good advantages. About the thickness of body shell, Perfect Laser adopts thicker body shell, and the thickness reaches 3 millimeters, which is more safe, and it will not distort for 5 to 10 years. But for other suppliers, the thickness of the body is only 1.5 millimeters. It's so thick. Yes, our thickness can reach 3 millimeters, double the size of other suppliers. Because of the thickness so higher for other suppliers, the machine will be deformed, or the machine will distort easily after using only for 1 year. If the machine becomes deformed or distorted, it will decrease the cutting precision. I think it is not what you want to see in the near future. Okay, about the laser tube, our machine has a long lifespan, about 10,000 hours. Every laser tube must pass the professional inspection of our technician before delivery. Our lifespan is very exquisite, but for other suppliers, the lifespan, the laser tube's lifespan is only very short. Yes, and flat, and cutting precision decreased. Okay, for the working platform, Perfect Laser adopts US imported working platform. This platform is made of aluminum alloy, which is glossy, load bearing, and not easy to deform. So with our high quality working platform, your products can be cut or engraved very beautiful and very precise. But for other suppliers, the working platform is made of iron. Is easy to get rust. It's easy to get rusty. Once the working platform gets rusty, the lifespan will be shortened. Yes, and the load bearing will decrease. Yes, so maybe the machine will deform as time goes by. For the laser parts, our machine's laser parts are manufactured through die stamping technology, online lamination process. But for other suppliers, several times procession. The working machine is rough and without standard, so our laser parts are very good quality. Engraver and cutting machine also has protection function. It can turn off the laser source automatically when the protection cover is open, which can protect the operators from some injuries. But for other suppliers, they do not have this function. When operators work and put their hands into the laser machine, the hands will be burned very easily. Okay, we also have unique light adjusting. Perfect Laser's machine has a focus lens adjusting parts. It is easy to find the center of the lens and find the right focus distance. But for other suppliers, they don't have this kind of function. For our machine, we also equipped with a chiller. As I mentioned before, CDAP 5000 and CDAP 5200 are installed for those machines with higher powers, namely over 100 powers. Because of this water cooling system, cooling machines, it can help our machine have good cooling effect and help our machine move more, operate more precise and good function. This cooling system, this water cooling machine also has many advantages with good cooling effect, lower noise, and lower power consumption. But for other suppliers, their water chiller cannot provide good function and the noise is very loud. I think it is not good. It's not good experience for those operators who use this machine. Besides, Perfect Laser machine also has scale. This scale is engraved on the edge of the working platform. It will be more convenient for operators to check the position of material and improve the accuracy of engraving and cutting. In this way, it can keep good quality of the materials and avoid waste of the materials. But for other suppliers, they don't have this scale. Okay, please look at the picture as it's showing on the screen. We have so many CO2 laser, engraver, and cutler. For the first row, you can see we have PE14B, PDB 6040A, PDB 6040, PDB 9060, PDB 13090. We have so many machines on display. You may see the little difference among these pictures as showing on the screen. The first row, the second row, and the third row. Okay. Let me just give you some comparison among them. For our PDB 9060, it has a working area 900 by 600 millimeters. For our PDB 13090, it has working area 1300 by 900 millimeters. For our PDB 13080, it has working area 1300 by 1800 millimeters. And our PDB 130250, it has 1300 by 2500 millimeters. So for the most, you can see the difference among them is the working area. If you have larger to be cut or engraved machine with larger working area. Laser power, we have 16 watts, 18 watts, 100 watts, 115 watts for your choices. For the engraving speed, it can have big range from 1 millimeter to 60 millimeters per minute. And cutting speed also has big range from 1 millimeter to 10,000 millimeters per minute. Okay, our machine also supports mainly graphic formats like BMP, HPGL, DXF, and so many formats can be supported by our machine. Okay, welcome new customers. Now I just show you our promotional activities. If you order over $7,000, you can get a coupons of $100. If you can order over $3,000, you can get a coupon of $15. Okay, during this video, we will list our warranty. Generally, for a laser cutter and engraver, we only have 12 months warranty. But during this live show, you will have longer warranty, namely 24 months warranty. So if you are interested in our machine, you just tell us and our salesman will introduce our machine to you more clearly and provide you good choice to meet your demand. Okay, let us look at the parameters of our PDB 13090. This model has a working area 1300 by 9,000 millimeters. We also have different choices of the laser power. You can order 16 watts, 18 watts, 100 watts, 120 watts, 150 watts. All of these power should be based on the materials that you want to cut or engrave. For the laser type, all our laser have hermetic and detached CO2 laser tube. So you can use the laser tube easily by yourself, or you want to okay. About the cutting speed and engraving speed, it's just same for all of this, for all of our CO2 laser engrave and cutters. So I will not mention it again for our model 13090. Okay, let's look at the protect features of engrave and cutters. This machine will be equipped with professional working table. Choice for your honeycomb or stripe working table for you to choose. You can choose the different working platform according to the material that you want to cut or engrave. You just tell our salesman, then our salesman will give you samples or videos about the different working table, how it works, and how our products being cut or engraved on this working platform. All of these working platforms are imported and used aluminum material. It can meet the list of diversified laser precision. We also use Taiwan-made ball screw rod. This kind of up and down table adopts Taiwan Highwind brand guide rail, which can improve the precision and accuracy of the machine. This CO2 laser cutter and engraver also adopts RAP9, so it's very important